Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dyson brand air purifier and it's giving you an E1 error and you're wondering what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So a couple things. First of all, the E1 error indicates an air filter error. So usually what's happening is that the machine recognizes that it's too difficult to suck air through the filter, which basically means that you just need to clean your filter. So the first thing you need to do if you're getting this error is just to clean the filter on your on the air purifier. So you can do that. You want to rinse it off with cold water only, and then you want to let it dry completely before you put it back in. And also, so once you've cleaned the filter and the area around the filter and everything like that, you want to go ahead and reset your air purifier, which is pretty simple. All you need to do is just unplug it from the wall and leave it unplugged from the wall for at least 30 seconds. Once you've done that, you can plug it back in and it will reset. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.